Okay, on to the next group of problems, which are 23 through 32. Several equations are given illustrating a suspected number pattern. Determine whether the next equation will be verified. Indeed, it's a true statement. So we did something like this the last section. So we're doing a little bit more. So here they are. We have 1 times 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. So that's the first one. Then we have 21 times 9 minus 1 is equal to 188. And then we have 321 times 9 minus 1 is equal to 2,888. So what we're asked to do is find the pattern. So this part's pretty easy. We go 1, 21. So really there's a 0 there. It's kind of implicit. 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2. There's actually a 0 there too. 0, 2, 1. So so we go 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So it would seem like the next one that would make sense. I hope there's 0. Putting 0, I'm not sure there helps. So let me just leave it out. Sometimes it helps, sometimes it doesn't. So we have 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So then we should have 4, 3, 2, 1 times 9 minus 1. Okay, so that's equal to what? Well, here the 0. It would be good to write that in there. So that's 0, 8. So you have 0, 8, 1, 8, 8, 2, 8, 8, 8. So we're going from 1, 8 to 2, 8 to 3, 8. So we're going from 0, 1, 2. So it would make sense that we would have in the, there's really two places here if we consider 0 to be one of the places. So we go 2, 3, 4. Those are the length of this statement. So the next one will be 5. We would go to 3, and then we would have 8. We had 4 8s. So it would be 8, 8, 8, 8. So that's the pattern. 1, 8, 2, 8, 3, 8, 4 8, 0, 1, 2, 3. And here we go from 1 to 21 to 3, 21 to 4, 3, 2, 1. And if you want to verify that, you can, but it's correct. And it doesn't matter. It doesn't mean that anything you make up that has some kind of pattern to it's going to give you some super duper result. But in this case, it has turned out to be the case. So we're going to do 27 next. So we have 3 cubed minus, 3 squared minus 2 squared is 3 squared minus 1 squared is equal to 2 squared. We have 6 squared minus 3 squared is equal to 3 squared. 10 squared minus 6 squared is equal to 4 squared. So, and then we have the next one, which is 15 squared minus 10 squared is equal to, oh, my eyes are not working here. Eye problem. So these should be cubed. Okay, so you have 15 squared minus 10 squared is equal to 5 cubed. Okay, so we're all cubed. Everything's cubed here. Everything's squared. We go 3, 6, 10, 15. The difference between these two is 3. The difference between these two is 4. The difference between those two is 5. So the difference between the next number would be 6. So we have 21 squared minus. Here we go 2, 3, 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. 6 minus 3 is 3. 10 minus 6 is 4. So the next one will be 15. You can also see that it goes 10, 10, 6, 6, 3, 3, blah, blah, blah. So it would make sense this now. Number would be 15. And then we have 6 cubed here. Because we go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is correct. Okay, next one would be, let's do 31. So we have the 1 is equal to 1 times 1. 1 plus 5 is equal to 2 times 3. 1 plus 5 plus 9 is equal to 3 times 5. So we see we have this difference of 4 between here. 5 minus 1 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. So we'd say 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus 13. And on here what we go is we go 1, 2, 3, so we probably put 4 there. And here we go by 2s, 1, 3, 5, 7. Let's see if that works out. 9 plus 13 is 22, plus 5 is 27, plus 1 is 28. 4 times 7 is 28. So that works out. So that's correct. And let's, next one will be 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus 13 plus 17. I just add another 4. And that would be equal to 5 times 9. I'm trying to think again if there's some reason why that works out. Well, you get 9. That's 1, 9. 5 plus 13 is 18, which is 9 squared, 2 times 9. And 1 plus 17 is 18, which is 3 times 9. So you'd have 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 5. So you get, no, I just don't want to write it. 1, 2, and 2. Okay, so that's 5. That's where the 5 comes from. Okay, and we'll do one more in this section. Not this section, but in this video, which will make it 30, say 35. And that says use the formula that the sum is equal to n times quantity n plus 1 over 2 to find each sum. So we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus, that means all the numbers up to 675. So n is equal to 675. So if we sum all these numbers together, we get the sum is going to be 675 times 675 plus 1 divided by 2. And so let's see what that is. 675 times 676 divided by 2 is 228,150. And we actually have used this before when we were doing adding 1 to 100 up to 100. N would have been equal to 100. So the sum would be equal to 100 times 101 divided by 2, which is the same as 50 times 101, which is what we did. And so what we got was 5,050, I think, was the answer. What we did a different way of looking at things.